Hey, this is Dr. Thacker here, coming to you from Adjusting to Health. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up. We have gotten, over the past 2 years, lots of questions about immunity, keeping your defenses up, how to keep the body strong, and it's probably one of the most vital things we can look at right now in light of everything that's going on in our world. So I want to bring you something and give you some insight into several nutrients that can help the body fight off infection, fight off viruses, and keep you healthy, especially through this time of year. I'm going to show you here a supplement. This here is called Immune Active by Metagenics. You can get the majority of the nutrients that are in here through other sources. It doesn't have to be this one. What I like about this is it's everything under one roof. So I don't have to give patients anymore. Take a little bit of this, take a little bit of that. You can kind of get everything here in one pill in one bottle. Now, I'm going to go over the ingredients in this because it's vital you understand what's happening, what's occurring in the body when we take in these nutrients, and how the body responds to them from a scientific standpoint. Ingredient number one is vitamin C. At this point, I think most people understand the importance of vitamin C in the body and the effect that it has on the immune system. So I'm not going to belabor that too much. Get your vitamin C in. This has got it. Great opportunity to get there. All right, number two is zinc. Zinc is vital for the immune system. It's best known for its antioxidant, its anti-inflammatory, and its immunomodulatory and antiviral activities. Now, when I say immunomodulatory, it means it helps the immune system do what it's supposed to do. So if it needs to be upregulated, it helps to do that. If it needs to be downregulated, it's not one of those things where it's necessarily boosting the immune system, but it's helping it do what it needs to do. So it's been known for its ability to help with the antiviral activity of the immune system, as well as it has the ability to inhibit an enzyme that RNA viruses use and need for replication and growth. So this is really important, especially if there's any type of severe acute respiratory virus that someone's struggling with. Really important nutrient to have. Number three, there is a nutrient in this immune active called ECGC. It's a green tea, I believe. Yeah, it's a green tea extract. It's a polyphenol. And it's been shown to inhibit human coronavirus replication in vitro. So it found that it decreased the levels of coronavirus RNA, that genetic material and protein in infected cell media. So this is key for keeping, especially when we're talking about viral load, keeping that viral load low, keeping that virus from replicating over and over again. So make sure ECGC, make sure you're getting that as well. Next on the list is quercetin. Quercetin we're hearing a lot more about these days. It's significantly shown to improve clinical outcomes in terms of virus clearance, symptom frequency, and it's very well tolerated by most people that use it. So it really helps the body get what it needs to get. The next one on the list is a nutrient that has just recently gained a little bit more traction. It's been around for a while, but it's known as N-acetylcysteine, NAC for short. And this one, there's a laundry list of things that this can help with. It's been shown to have antiviral function in terms of limiting, especially severe acute respiratory type syndromes. It can actually be a direct inhibitor of severe acute respiratory syndromes. The other things that it does, it's got immune modulatory properties, as well as it can reduce the incidence of pneumonia. So for those who do end up with some sort of bronchial lung, any type of breathing issues that's viral related, it can reduce the incidence of that and hopefully in turn reduce the incidence of hospitalizations as well. It's been shown to improve lung function, to reduce mortality rates. N-acetylcysteine is a precursor to glutathione, which is the master antioxidant in the body. It is also a mucolytic, which helps clear out the lungs if there's a lot of mucus. So many different things. I would encourage you to read up on it. I'll link some of this in the description as well. So if you've got questions, they can answer them. And last, but most certainly not least, we have vitamin D levels. And some severe acute respiratory syndromes, it's been shown that if someone has a vitamin D level above 50, then above 50 nanograms per milliliter, that there is almost theoretically, a zero chance of mortality from certain severe acute respiratory syndromes. which this is vital. And we're seeing this time and time again. We're seeing more and more research, more and more case studies that are showing the importance of vitamin D in terms of keeping the immune system strong and giving the body what it needs to fight off. So there you have it. That's just a snippet. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to our office. This in no way constitutes medical advice. So if you yourself have questions, please seek the advice of a healthcare practitioner. If you have questions for us, feel free to reach out to us. Again, the supplement here, we are starting to carry it. Immune Active by Metagenics, a really good supplement. It's something that I'm taking on a daily basis. If you have questions, again, reach out to our office. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy.